Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to save web pages as PDFs in Firefox on Windows 11 or 10. To save a web page as a PDF document in the Mozilla Firefox browser, visit the web page you want to save as a PDF in the Firefox browser. Once the web page is opened, press Ctrl+P from the keyboard to print the web page in a PDF file. Select the destination as Save to PDF and then click on the Save button. Now, select the location where you want to save the PDF file. Write the name of the file. Finally, click on the Save button to preserve the document in PDF. That's it. Now, you will have a PDF file of the selected web page on your PC. If you want, you can open that PDF document using the Firefox browser or any other PDF reader tool. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, Garup Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.